Use a damp microfiber mop to quickly and safely clean the tops of appliances and other high, flat surfaces in break rooms. Start by removing loose debris and dust with a dry microfiber cloth or a vacuum with a brush attachment to prevent grit from scratching surfaces. Prepare a cleaning solution appropriate for the surface material, such as a mild detergent diluted in warm water for stainless steel and laminate, or plain water for sealed surfaces. Never saturate the mop head. Dip the wet microfiber mop, then wring or squeeze out excess water until it is damp but not dripping so you avoid streaks and moisture damage. Work from the cleanest to the dirtiest areas and push the mop in straight strokes along the surface to capture grease and fingerprints rather than rubbing in a circular motion. Rinse and re-damp the mop with clean water as needed to avoid redepositing grime, and change the mop head when it becomes visibly soiled. Finish by buffing with a dry microfiber cloth if streaks remain and allow any remaining moisture to air dry with proper ventilation. Common mistakes include overwetting the mop, which soaks into seams, wallpaper, or appliance vents and can cause swelling or damage, so always squeeze out excess water before use and test a small area first. Another issue is using a mop head that is too abrasive or dirty, which can scratch finishes and spread contaminants. Use a clean, soft microfiber head and replace it regularly. A third concern is neglecting a routine which allows heavy buildup that requires harsh scrubbing. Schedule light cleaning once or twice a week and spot treat spills immediately to keep maintenance tasks quick and effective. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives contractors a place to find new work that matches their skills. We also host a discussion community where members share tips, ask questions, and recommend vendors so we all learn better ways to maintain spaces like break rooms.